Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making an easy lemon curd without eggs.
This vegetarian-friendly lemon curd keeps all the bright, creamy goodness you love. Perfect for filling a tart, layering into cakes, or spooning over your pancakes. This eggless lemon curd is a versatile citrus spread you'll want to make again and again.
A sweet and citrusy dream for anyone avoiding eggs. This no-fuss recipe is rich in texture and intense lemon flavor.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make lemon curd without eggs.
To start this recipe, in a sauce pot, I'm going to whisk together 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Once all the ingredients are incorporated, I'm going to whisk in 3/4 of a cup of water. Whisk well to make sure all of the dry ingredients are incorporated into the liquid. Then I'm going to add in the zest from 1 lemon. The zest is packed with flavor and lemony fragrance that's locked inside the oil in the outer layer of the peel. This is going to release into my lemon curd as it cooks on the stove to give it an even more intense lemon flavor. I'm going to bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally. Then I'm going to let it simmer about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly until it's thick. This should happen quite quickly. Remove from the heat and immediately whisk in 1 tablespoon of cold butter and the juice from 1 lemon, or about 3 tablespoons. You could also try substituting the lemon in this recipe with the same amount of alternative citrus like limes, oranges, or grapefruit. Place a piece of plastic wrap directly on the surface until you're ready to use it. This will prevent a skin from forming on the surface. This can be stored in the fridge in an airtight container for 2 weeks, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.